So what is my first number cell? C what? No, this time it's C3. I took a. Okay, where's my last number? Okay, let's go down. C. Everyone look. C22. Whenever you click, it tells you where you are. C22. So go ahead. What do we write? Can someone tell me what's the statement now? Yes, Max. Equals. Oh, what's the command itself? No, okay. I don't want to do it using sum then divide. Let's just do the whole thing in one shot. You see what I mean? We already have a command doing the whole process for us. Why not use it? So average. Go ahead. Average. Oh, let me zoom in. 1 second. Zoom in. There we go. Equals average bracket. What's my first cell? Come on. C3. C3. What was my last cell? C22. C22. Done. Usually, even if you forget to close it, it understands. But just to fin okay, I want to round this to a what? Which means how many decimals? How many? None. So 0 decimals. Exactly. So what's the command for rounding? Come on. What's the command for rounding? No, rounding. Rounding. Round. So go here to the green cell and write equals. You have to always say equals. If you don't say equals, nothing is. Okay, everyone, look. What if I just say round, round, and then click on this green cell because that's the number. It won't do anything. It will just say round, like it would not understand it as a math command. So you have to say equals round. Hey, what should I click on? Which value am I trying to round? This guy. So I could either write D3 or just click on D3. Go ahead, click. Okay. What does no decimals mean? Round to how many decimals? 0, a whole number. So comma. It, okay. How about if I want what does min mean? Min. What does min and max mean? Minimum and guess what? Without me looking at the list and ordering it, which could take a long time if you have a long list, there's a command for minimum. What do you think it's called? Min. So go ahead. Equals min. Again, same list because you're telling it to go through the entire list and find the smallest number. Smallest number. Again, it was C3 to what? C3 to C22. You see, autofill. Nope, we don't want autofill. It's only one single number. No, look, min equals min bracket C3 two dots C. Yeah, the dot. Always the dot. The next one is instead of min, I put what? Max. Max. So equals max C3 to C22. What's the highest mark? Apparently, a 93 was the highest mark achieved. Done. No need to look through the list. No need to order the list. Just so you know, there is a command if you want to what? Put them in order, either from highest to lowest or lowest. It's called sorting. Sort A to Z or Z to A. Okay. All right, everyone. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next pie chart one. Go. Pie chart one. Pie chart one. Okay. I want you to finish this, but but I've already given you the what? The link to. So let's see. Yes, because listen, no, it's a good collection of information. Okay, click. I want you, just like the expenses with the pie chart, I want you now to go write the names of only the provinces, by the way, which are 10. Yep, there we go. So write the name of each province What I want you to do is, by the way, you can split the tabs. Like, okay, there we go. Look, look how easy it is. Now I have the provinces and I have the numbers, and all I have to do now is just write each province and the number. Done. That's it. Everyone, that should be your list. That should be your list. Okay. What what do I do now if I just want the chart? What's the first step? Highlight. So you highlight not the name of the column, but the first actual entity, which is Ontario. And then you go here. All right, let's do this. So, okay, then what's my next step? Come on. Go to which menu? Which menu? Insert, because you want to insert actually a chart. Okay, chart. Let's see if it's going to default to a pie chart or a bar chart. Yep. Which one is the biggest slice? Yep. Already tells you so many things. Ontario is the biggest slice. It tells you it's 38.6% of the population. And if you click on it, or as you said, if you hover and click, whoops, where is it? Oh, I don't need it. If you click on hover, it is 40,223,942 people. Done. That's it.